Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
So ngayon ay mag-bike ulit kami, pero kasama namin ang mga tropa naming bikers. Kaya samahan nyo kami at mag-enjoy tayo sa pag-bike.
Tara! Nandito kami sa Alcasba ngayon. Kasama ko si Madam Michelle.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant.
Oh. Okay lang. Ay, nag-video.
Hello guys, nasa beach kami ngayon.
Vlogger.
May bisan din pala dito. Tawad. Naligo ako. Dimay. Tanggalin mo yung damit mo.
Bili na yan ang dalawa. Tinry niya ang bike ni Pam. Bibili na daw siya. Vlog pa kayo. Oh, sarap. Ito vlog. Laki. Sige tayo nag-vlog. Sure? Oh, vlog. Subscribe! Hi! Dito kami ngayon sa ano ba to? Mamsar Beach. Ang ganda ng bike ni Pam, oh. Bagong bili. Bagong bili. Saan ako yan, Pam? Bagong bili. Say hi to Vlogag! Ayan guys, nagsiswimming sila oh. Bigla ang swimming. Diba? Nagbike lang kami. Pero napaswimming na. Ang ganda kasi ng panahon. Yan oh.
Halika na! Halika tayo! Stop crossing your feet! Hey, Jay, let's go to...
Hindi na kilala yung mga ano niya. Hindi siguro ikaw nagbigay nun. Halata na.
Oh, almusal muna.
Sabi nga ni Jonathan, lahat daw ng libre masarap. Pumunta ako na sa dulo. Malalim dyan? Lalim yan? Kasi dinadaanan ng barko yan noon eh. Doon tayo, akala ko magaling. Yung lampas ng ano, malalim na yan. Yan, lampas ng lambat. Pero mga babae. Kasi dinadaanan ng barko to doon. Saan makikita? Doon yun.
Mukhang magbablog ka na.
Yeah, yung nagpapatuloy.
Ensayo lang. Nag-ensayo lang. Ano din yan? Ganyan lang sa umpisa. Pag ano na yan, sa kanin na yan.
Para may group natin, may sponsor.
Para may income tayo. Sponsor. Mag-viewer tayo ng maraming yan. Yung lokal na magaling mag-Tagalog. May grupo nga ang mga yun eh. Kahit sa Pujera meron, may kasama pa silang unano. Oo! Unano siyang lokal. Pinapatok-batukan nila. Inaaway-away nila. Oo. Tapos yung isang Pilipino, ang magaling ano yun eh, barbero yun eh. Galing mo lang namin. Pero ano lang nila?
Trip-trip lang yun ah.
Producer na rin.
Vlogger
yun eh, producer na lang
Oo, may sarili sila eh. Like and share and subscribe. Alright!
Nung bago-bago wala yun, pero ngayon ano na sila.
Alright, cut out! Hi vlog, welcome to my guys!
Hello?
Yan, breakfast muna.
Ano yan? Kuya, ano ko? Ano niya? Nagsawak ng... Hindi mo daw iniwanan yung bag mo.
Ala, iniwan na ni Juan.
Yung bag mo.
Bago daw dun eh. Oo, may bago. Nakikita ko sa post ng ano eh.
Oh, Kuya Rex.
Hi, bye! Uwi na kami! The guys!
Ganun lang din eh. Dito na tayo.
Wala kayo isang mask? Wala. Mainit eh, para matagpag ko. Bakas, ibiberon. Bakas, ibiberon. Beb, may mask ka, Beb. Extra. Pahiram pa. May mask ka, Beb.
Nawala na nga eh. Nawala na.
Uwian na.
Guys, uwi na! Mainit! ma-doubt yung following.
Next vlog ulit, guys.
Sa
See you next week, guys.
Like and share. Subscribe.
Please like and share daw.
Guys, pahinga muna guys.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa
Anong ngayon mo? Bike yan.
Buhaira Cornish.
Anong trabaho mo? Ano po ang pinakamahal part sa part mo?
Pagpapractice ko na ako dyan.
Oh, question and answer daw.
Ano yan? Ni Alvin, ayaw marami.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel.
Please click the belly button.
Bagay nga may Mary bagay nga may Jane.
Napagod.
Tagal mag-pull.
Karga na yan sa bike.
Ayan guys, nanghihina na siya. Oh. Buhatin na, buhatin.
Okay lang, Mike. Okay lang daw siya, guys. Don't worry, guys. Ambot.
Hi guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Yan, nakarating na tayo.
Napagod.
Pagod ulit.
Next time ulit.
Salamat.
Bye!